everyone, welcome back to my channel Chillbee. If you are new here, I am Dipanshi Jain and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, skincare and a lot more. So if you are interested in any of that, do consider subscribing to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my top 5 favorite ideas that I keep in mind while clicking my self-portraits. So let's get straight into this video. So the first one is very trending on the internet right now. You just have to place your camera at a lower angle and click your self-portrait. You need to place your hands above your head and just play around with your hands a little bit. So I have put my camera on self-timer and just playing with my hands right now, and here are the results. So the second pose is the half cover up. Now I know that in self-portraits you are the main subject and you do not want to block the subject in any sort of way, but this looks way too amazing if you have an amazing hairstyle going on, like you did something really crazy with your hair. Also it looks amazing if you are playing with lights and shadows or different colors of light. So the third one is my absolute favorite. Drum rolls. It is the hair flip. I love doing hair flips. I love doing hair flips, and for this you just need to flip your hair like you don't care about anything in this world. So the next pose is, I don't know. Oh wait, this is the actual pose. So you just have to place your one hand near your eye and snatch it a little bit so that it gives a very foxy eye kind of a look, and you can just do it with two hands, like whatever you feel. So the fifth idea is to show your grace. So just play around with your hands and fingers and let the flow create beautiful pictures for you. So that was it about today's video. If you enjoyed watching me or this video, then please hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content like this. I'll be back with another video really soon. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and bye bye. So in today's video, I'll be lovely self-portrait. खुशी इधर आइयो यार.